Hello, hi, my name is Sahil Tanvir. My student ID is 15401099, and this is my AS1 report. I will show you if I just log into my Vagrant CDY 2028 and I run my Vagrant 2. Oh wow, Vagrant. Oh. Run that through and it should be loading. As it loads, I'll just tell you what the mains are of the actual of my actual assignment. 1 second, should be able to load. Okay, right, so after it's loaded, I'm going to open up my SQL workbenches as all the databases it's actually stored in there. If I just log into my SQL, press continue anyways, should be able to load. Right, awesome, so now these have loaded, so if I go onto my actual jobs, which is the folder, it should say all my tables, my views, and my stores products. So if I go onto tables, click underneath there, as you can see, it has all my data all categorized all in here. So I will show you now the web page. So if I actually go onto my URL, you can actually see my login. This is the first page of the Northampton Tech Job website. Just a little bit of information about Northampton Tech website is basically being given to us developers for us to debug and see and actually make the website functionable. So it is near a university as well called Northampton Tech Jobs. As I will show you now of how it works. So if I do a login, so this is my login. So sorry, just give me 1 second. Anyways, sorry about that. It now does show that I am logged in. These are all the user jobs and categories that I do have for the actual website. So if I click onto users, it shows I only have one admin here at the moment. So if I wanted to add another admin, I could write Sammy. Password could be Sammy. Add the user, and as you can see, it says add user. So if I go onto users now, it should show two on them. If I want to log out right now, then write the same thing. So if I want to do Sammy and do Sammy here again. Sorry. Sorry about that. It was just a bit of a lag. So as I'm logged in, if I go on to users now, that you can see there are two different username. There are two different users now. And if I click onto jobs, I've put down two examples already as an added job. So I actually have two different categories. So if you actually look on here, but I'll explain that later. These are two different job titles I actually applied for. So if you click onto add job, you can actually type in the job title, the job description, and the job salary. So let's just type in an example, any 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 because the categories that I already have at the moment is actually project manager, as it was a test, and software too. So if I click onto anyone, let's just say if I click onto software and just add the job, so it says job added. So if I click onto jobs now, you will see that there is another job over here as I've clicked as any and any. So as you can see, also through the login, I have actually logged in through admin too. If it was for an application, if I actually wanted to click onto an application to actually apply for the job, it would take me to an applied list for the job selection. That isn't not applied in any applied jobs because I do not have the functionality to actually apply for any jobs that are actually here. Also, with categories, like I was talking about before, I actually put two different types of categories down when I was testing, when I was actually using my web page before. And the first one was project manager, and the second one was software. Just a quick test. If I want to add another category, then again, I could write IT. Let's just say IT here. Do IT here. Let's add a category here. As you can see, it has a message saying category added. So if I click onto category now, you'll see a third one over here, and also with a drop down menu as I've implemented, there's now IT over here too. With the main pages at the top, you see job listing. These are all the job listing that I have. As you've seen before, I put this as a test for you in the video today. If I click onto categories, I can click onto a specific one. Let's just say if I click onto IT, there are no job lists there because I haven't actually added any on there. With software, I have put one there. As you can see, I did put it for under software, sorry. And for project, there's only one project manager job available. With contact us, it has a simple, straightforward. So the number as a test and email is inquiries Northampton jobs. There's just a hyperlink, so if you did want to contact them. That's pretty much it. So let's just say if I want to log in. And yeah, so these are all the jobs that are actually listed over here. It does underneath it just for like a just for style. I have actually put Bob text jobs as well. So obviously it's more understanding straight to the users as well. So if I want to log out of this, all I would do is just click log out. And there you go. And if you did want to register as well, but actually add in another admin, you could also click on here for the users and for the staff to use for new wanting staff. They would be having that username and password. Thank you very much for seeing my AS1 website. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.